I'm here at TedHair, and I've been coming here for about a year, buying all my bundles, wigs, and closures and things. And I personally have had a great experience with them. Their hair is great quality. They always have what I need. Their hair takes color really well. You don't have to worry about any shedding, any not being able to bleach your knots, not being able to do anything with your hair, because it is great quality hair. All my customers and clients love it. We have been coming here for about a little over a year, and out of all the vendors here, I would say this one, TedHair in Atlanta, is the best vendor that you're gonna find out here. So don't be shy, come out here, come see the hair. It's good bulk, good wholesale prices, and it's everything you're looking for. If you're looking for a vendor that's local and has hair on hand, why wouldn't you want a vendor that's local and you have hair on hand? You don't have to worry about your shipping or anything like that. So come on, give what the money resides, give what the program, give what TedHair guys.